Here is your how-to video for how to make a Screencastify. You're going to want to open your Google Chrome browser. When you open it up, it should look something like this. Then you're going to want to go to whatever you're recording, a YouTube video, your epic book, and already have that up before you're ready to start your Screencastify, just in case if it's a YouTube video, you don't end up recording the commercial. So let's pull up a YouTube video. We'll do an edition facts for Jack Hartman. Okay, so we're gonna click on it. Okay, good. So there's no commercials for this particular Jack Hartman. So I paused it. While I'm in this tab of my browser, I'm gonna want to go over here to the Screencastify video recorder. It's a little like pinkish salmon colored arrow with a video camera. I'm going to want to click on it. When I click on it, it allows me to record the browser tab that I'm in. As you can see, I have multiple tabs open, but currently I'm in this tab for the Jack Hartman. So you can record just the tab you're in. You could record your desktop, which is everything happening on your computer. Or you could do a webcam video, which would record you as a person. You're going to want to have microphone on, so if you need to talk and whoever your audience is needs to hear your voice, you would have microphone on. If you do not need the microphone on, you would just click it off and your audience would only hear the audio in your browser tab or your desktop. But if you're making a webcam video where you need to record yourself, you're going to have the microphone on. If you would need to record in your browser or desktop and yourself, you would also put embed webcam. For the purposes of this how-to video, I am not putting on the webcam. So once you're set up, I want to record this tab. I do not need the microphone for it because you don't need to hear me. You want to hear your Jack Hartman song. I'm turning it off. And you're going to want to hit record. Once you hit record, it's going to count you down. While it's counting you down, you're going to want to hit full play on your Jack Hartman so you can see the whole video and not all this extra stuff on the side of YouTube. So I'm going to have it count me down. In the meantime, you'll see what I'm talking about to make it full screen.
3, 2, 1.
Then you're going to want to play your Jack Hartman video somehow.
Let's learn our addition facts. Sing along and
Okay, so I paused the Jack Hartman video, and if you noticed, I also paused the Screencastify recording. You'll see up here that there's a blue rectangle letting me know that I'm still in video mode, and you'll see that the Screencastify button up here has 2 red lines letting me know that I'm paused. If I were recording, it would have a red circle button letting me know that I'm recording. When you're done recording the entire video of Jack Hartman, you can hit stop and it will automatically take you to this. So I hit pause because we don't need to hear what's going on in here. It automatically gave it a title. I don't really want this whole title. I can just rename it Jack Hartman Edition Facts. Okay, then I'm going to click save, and as you see, it shortened my title. Now, if I want to make it a QR code, I go ahead and click this weird number bond button that says share. So I will click it. It's already saved on my personal Google Drive, which is fine. If you want, you could upload it to YouTube. I don't want to upload it to YouTube. I want to just save it on my Google Drive, so it's pre-selected. But I want to click Get Link. So now I hit Copy Link, so it automatically saved this big long web address. Now I'm going to want to click a new tab, and I prefer the QR code monkey. As you see, I can use it a lot, so it pre-filled in here for me. So I'm going to click enter so it takes me to that website. I want to delete that, and I want to hit Command V and paste that web address that we copied for our Jack Hartman video. Then I'm going to click enter, and it's loading my new QR code. There we go. If I want to take a screenshot of it, I can. I would hit Command Shift 4, drag over it. Make sure you, when you're doing a screenshot, make sure you are giving it a little bit of a white border. You don't want to chop off any of the black pixels if you do a screenshot. If you're not sure if you're going to screenshot it correctly, you could save it as a PDF down here. Click Save PDF. It'll download down here. You're going to want to click and open it, if it will do it. Why isn't it doing it? Okay, hold on. Let's try again. Okay, we're going to save as a PDF. Okay, now down here at the bottom of your browser, you can click on it. I don't know why this is not working for me right now. Okay, we'll click open. Okay, it'll bring you to a gigantic one. You can click download and then you rename it your Jack Hartman edition facts, and then you can save it to wherever you want. Desktop, documents, downloads, or recent places within your that you've been. So I want to save mine to my desktop for easy access. I do want to save it in PDF document. So then I click save. At that point, you'll go to your desktop and here it is. And I saved it. So I could print it, I could put it on a Word document, I can put it in a PowerPoint, I can do whatever I need to do with it. So that is how you make a Screencastify.